Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Nissan Sentra 2019 with a transmission issue. They say it have a Judder code. I'm not sure if that's the Judder code that we need to do on this car to reset it, or this car have other issue. Together, let us go using Console 3 Plus with the interface to see what is the requirement. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you need part for your car, please check the link below. I have Amazon affiliate link that it will help me support my channel and pay some of editing and all this. But let's go together, please. All the accessories from cell phone, chargers, parts. So now I'm gonna go. First, be sure your internet is active. Believe me, you don't have the internet active, you're gonna, sometime you messed up your thing. So before you do anything, be sure that you are online. So I gotta click here to connect it automatically in the future. Here, everything is connected. And now I'm gonna go to Console 3 Plus. I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Okay, now I will have the communication established, Console 3 Plus, as you see here. And we're gonna wait a little bit for the system to open. Okay, you see here now, I'm gonna go to reprogram configuration. No, I just wanna go to diagnose first to see what is wrong in the transmission. They say that there is a problem and the transmission need an update. Also, I am seeing here, I'm using this interface, and I also am seeing that there is some blinking stuff here. Warnings. I have a CVT Judder. It's very strange. This car, does it have a CVT Judder for 2019? Nissan Altima, Nissan Sentra. Okay, work support. Okay, control valve replacement, auxiliary. You see here there is no CVT Judder to read or write. So let me just go to control valve replacement. I'm gonna say start. I want to know what's gonna happen. Erase calibration data, maintain the following condition and touch start. Turn ignition on, the combustion engine, press brake pedal, press accelerator pedal between half and half quarter, shift selector to reverse. Okay, ignition on, press the brake, gas between half and half quarter, that means a little bit. Okay, shift in reverse. This is maybe a different way. Let me see what's gonna happen, because there is no software to write. Okay. Operate according to the following. Ignition off. Okay, let me ignition off. Hold it more than 10 seconds. Ignition on, hold it more than 10 seconds. Ignition off, hold more than 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one back, remove my hand, ignition off. Now ignition is off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look here, ignition have to be like that, 10 seconds, more than 10 seconds. Now ignition on, hold more than 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now ignition off. Ignition off, hold it more than 10 seconds. Now ignition on. 1, 2, ignition is on, executing. I don't know what is that, but it's very complete. If it's complete, I will say end. I will go back. I will go back to self-diagnose. Okay, let me see if I can erase it. Execute. Close. It's gone. Hopefully we have no problem with this car. If it's come back again, maybe they have another problem, we are not sure. But this car here does not have CVT Judder information to ride on. And I can say nothing for it. I want to see if there is any update for the transmission, which I don't believe so. Engine, no, not engine, cancel this. If there any update for the transmission control module, programming for 2018, 2019. If it doesn't work good, that means there is a problem somewhere. Sentra 19. We're gonna wait here, have to be gray a little bit. The color have to change. Now click next. Sentra, let me see what is available for the transmission. Update. If there is any update, it will come on. I'm gonna wait a little. Confirm. I want to see if there is an update for the transmission. Go to the next level to see if there is a transmission. Here it is. Programming, that means update. You see here the vehicle value. We're gonna save it. We'll go to the next level. There is no programming. Okay, no, this is a condition, but you have to click on the left side corner to agree with it, and then go to the next level. There is no update for this car. Everything is look okay on it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for your support.